Top 5.
Dauerhaft. With a handle, you can carry the chainsaw to protect you from the chainsaw. Durable storage bag, a good helper for those engaged in forestry or agriculture. Handle and long zipper design, you can carry it with you anywhere.
Top 4.
ApplianPar. Thickened Oxford fabric, waterproof or resistant, durable. Accommodate chainsaws with a bar of up to 18 inch. The bag closes with a zipper, two small strap with Velcro tie, a larger adjustable carry strap. Package includes 1X chainsaw carrying bag.
Top 3.
Feld. The Feld chainsaw bag, 14 to 18 inch case with hand chainsaw sharpener kit accessories, allows you to bring along all tools while in the field. Bag compartment prevents oil from getting on your sled so you can cut trees off trails and more in the woods.
Top 2.
Zalarman. Made of waterproof 1050D polyester fabric with fine stitching, also providing hydrobility, reliability, and tough wear resistance. Complete with anti-collision cotton and carry handles, safe cover for your chainsaw to avoid being accidentally scratched.
Top 1.
Husqvarna. Powerbox carrying case. HDPE, high-density polyethylene, double-wall construction, fits all Husqvarna chain saws up to it, including the 372XP and 575XP stockable.